Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Nintendo. Today we're playing Build a Boat, and let me show you my boat. It's actually a plane, not a boat. Kamikaze Gundy. From my last Breaking Point video, I was pretty good. Okay, well, let me zoom out. Out 4 days, out, living life in this. Okay. Launch, yes. Okay, which way are we supposed to go? I'm feeling good. I'm up over the good. This is how. I'm gonna drink some Vimto. But no, you don't look too shabby. Muddy. Don't look too shabby. Nobody. Hey guys, can you hear me? Okay, good. Okay, this will be part 1 from Build a Boat and part 1 of Breaking Point was last video. And then the next video will be part 1 Minecraft. Hey, and don't think it's one of them rip-off games. So, this is how I get down. And then I go like music. No, kid, I'm gonna no. Classic bougie ratchet. Mother booty, look at Doozy. Wanna face off? Whoa! Visit me, don't wanna face off. Don't worry, guys, they can't even aim. Kamikaze Gundy. What the flip was that, Kamikaze Gundy? Right there, Kamikaze Gundy. Whoa! What's up, man? You look tabby. You wanna let some box money? No, look too shabby. No, mommy, broke the window. Nope. It says I never explored the place, so let's try to explore it. Okay, just gonna get up now. Dumb. Hey, we might make it to the treasure. Capsizing. Now let's see if my boat can make it from here. If my boat can even make it. Down. Back first. We don't need back. Okay, maybe my boat can't handle this stuff. Maybe it can. Okay, maybe not. Okay, come on, I don't have any engines. I guess I have to do it like this, the old-fashioned way. This is too difficult. I'm supposed to make it through all of this. And I'm gonna have a drink while I'm waiting. Tag. I'm almost making it. This is my first time ever going to the treasure. Psych. I'm gonna make it. Let's go. We made it. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I forgot my egg box. I'm coming, my baba. Oh no! I'm coming, my baba. Okay, that was part one. Bye guys. See you later. Oh, I got this. Bye guys. See you later.